They're Lollipop Bushings, I guess. We'll see how long it lasts before it cracks and makes me crash. Torque to spec.
Torque spec in question? Tight.
Tight.
Holy angle.
Jeez.
So what's the project for today?
We have lower control arms and eBay angle kit.
How much you pay for those?
$50.
Very good.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, is it billet aluminum?
No.
Ah.
No, not at all. We'll see how long it lasts before it cracks and makes me crash.
And we got what, bushings for the
These are Lollipop Bushings, I guess.
Okay.
That's what they've been calling them, I think. And yeah, that's just part of the control arm.
Okay. So for all the uninformed, why would you spend money on a bunch of shit like this?
Well, the reason I got it was because the right side ball joint has play. So I said, screw it, I'm just gonna get both of them and just do both of them.
Okay, is this an upgrade or is this just a repair?
And it's just well, this is what's really what we're going for.
Okay.
This is just maintenance.
Okay.
So I'm trying to get more angle, but I don't think I get too much out of these. So we'll just run these for now and then eventually get an FDF kit or SLR kit.
Okay. And so for the very uninformed, what's angle?
Steering angle. I have to show it my card. Basically, those adapters are gonna change. Come here. Basically, these adapters are gonna sit in place of the control arm and the original stock mounting point for the tie rod end, and your tie rod will mount here now. So it's gonna push the wheel out and give you more steering angle.
Why do you want more steering angle in drifting?
So you don't loop out,
Okay.
basically.
So does it give you more margin for error or does it give you more cool
Essentially.
factor? Yeah?
Well, both.
Okay.
It gives you more cool factor and more margin for error.
Okay.
And with that lesson in Drift Angle 101 complete, let's get installing.
I'm gonna disconnect the tie rod and then drop that out of the way so I can take this out and hit that down enough to get it out. I already broke the height sensor, so that's not a fucking problem. No. We're just gonna get the arms in because I have to take it apart again and cut the inner tie rod out.
How many degrees of angle do you think you'll gain with this?
The eBay site says 25.
25 degrees of angle. Do you know what angle this comes with?
Like 25 more percent, like 25% more.
Percent more. So if you're getting, whatever, 45 degrees, now you get an extra 10,
Yeah.
11 and change. Do we have to bleep that if it's in another language?
I don't know. I want to disconnect that height sensor.
Height sensor.
I don't need it, so might as well get rid of it.
Yeah.
I think those are for if the car flips over.
I'm gonna say no. I think it's for traction control.
What bolt are you even taking out? I can't even see it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, would you like to film a bit?
I'm trying to.
I mean, I'm filming it from that side, but I can't see that specific bolt you've been working on for 22 minutes here.
Now the other side.
One eternity later.
What are you doing here?
It has a taper. So whenever you see that, see how it's got a taper here?
Yep.
That presses into the body as you tighten it down.
Okay.
So that's why it's stuck in there. I don't think hitting this is gonna do shit. Benga.
Well, it fell. I will stand back for this.
Yeah, still.
Yeah, I don't.
After successfully getting both control arms out, we were ready to push the Lollipop Bushings onto the new ones. Unfortunately, without the right tools, this would prove rather difficult.
Starting to go.
It's sliding back up.
What the f? Bouncing back off.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey. You know what the worst part is after struggling this hard?
What?
You gotta do it one more time.
No.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Let's go guys, I know with the plan and what black as you can see, look at that over. Let's go.
I get to tighten that bolt for half an hour.
Both sides. So an hour.
See an hour, yeah.
1 hour later.
Torque to spec.
Torque spec in question, tight.
Tight.
All right, here's the fun part.
See how it's tapered in there?
Yeah.
The nut has to sit in there. Where the other stock nut, it's not. It's a flat nut. Like that.
Yeah.
With a crush, like a nylon insert, so it stops it from backing out.
Yeah.
So now I have to Loctite that because
You don't want that coming
I
out.
don't trust that coming out.
Yeah.
So
Gotta be safe and sorry.
they're both sides are the same.
Yeah.
Do you come look?
Yeah. Oh, damn. Yeah. That's,
That might not work.
you got a little bit of toe out.
That's the wheels being straight.
Straight.
Holy
Steering wheel's completely straight. Wow. Yeah. Turning response, fantastic. So, for reference, if you can't tell from the video, straight is like this. That's straight. This is like that. Yeah, that's a good 45 degrees. Holy angle. Jeez. Not gonna get that much.
You're
once
not
you
gonna
cut it.
see once. You have to do it with the wheel.